Hi everyone! In this short demo, I'll show you how to scan your Gradescope bubble sheets using the library ITS help desk scanners. Follow me. Before we get started, it's worth noting you can scan and upload exams from anywhere. Gradescope is web-based like Canvas and works on any computer with internet access. If you have access to an office scanner, a departmental copier, or a home scanner that saves to PDF, preferably with an auto feeder, those will work just as well. Library scanners are offered primarily for larger classes. If you only have a few exams, you can even use a scanning app or your phone's built-in scan feature to create PDF files. After logging into a library computer, you're ready to open the scanning software. Double-click the Capture On icon to open the scanning software. A window will appear showing the scanner driver. Select the scanner from the list, then select OK. Before scanning, select the pencil icon for settings, open Scanning Side, select Simplex for single-sided bubble sheets, or Duplex for double-sided bubble sheets, and then select Close. You're now ready to scan. Before loading the scanner, make sure there are no staples, paper clips, or bent pages that could jam it. Load your exams face down, with the top of the page feeding into the scanner first. We recommend scanning smaller batches instead of all at once. For example, split a 300 exam stack into smaller groups. Extend the trays to keep pages from falling. On the computer, select the Save to Folder icon to begin scanning. As pages feed through, you'll see the progress on screen. When the batch finishes, selecting Finish creates your PDF file. Here's a tip. Gradescope works best with PDF files under 300 pages, so it's best to save several smaller PDFs instead of one large file. For example, scan about 100 exams, select Finish to save, then repeat the process for the next batch. Select the File Explorer icon in the taskbar below to access your scanned files. By default, your PDFs will save to the Pictures folder. You can rename them if you like. By default, they'll be titled Image 001, Image 002, and so on. And that's it, and once your scans are saved, you're ready to upload. Click the video on screen to watch our step-by-step guide to setting up Gradescope with Canvas.